please come here and speak a few words.
Good morning, students. Good morning. I hope you all are well. Yes. Because it is early morning, and I'm sure why we all have gathered here today for the inauguration of Science Math Club by FIBN Batch 2023-25. Right? So this is the first activity that is undertaken by the Science Math Club. And I'm sure in future, you people will plan like this, many more activities. So with these few words, I will now request Harshi to begin the program.
So children, today we will learn an equation with the rule of B, O, D, M, A, S. BODMAS, 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 BODMAS. Everybody, BODMAS, 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 BODMAS.
Some people right, some people left, please.
Starting with the equation. Solve the brackets first. The organisms come to next. BODMAS. Divide and multiply. BODMAS. Then you add and subtract. BODMAS. BODMAS, 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 BODMAS.
Good morning, everyone. Now we have seen the fun part of BODMAS. Now let's jump to the theory part. Okay, so what is BODMAS? The B in BODMAS stands for bracket. O stands for order. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And finally S for subtraction. So what is BODMAS? BODMAS is a rule that dictates the order in which a mathematical operation is to be carried out in an expression. BODMAS somewhere, for example, in US, the term BODMAS is used, and a similar synonym, which is BIDMAS or PEDMAS, is used in another countries like UK. The difference between PEDMAS and BODMAS is like just the P and E are different, and D and O are different, where P is for parentheses and E stands for exponents. Parenthesis nothing means is this bracket, and exponent means orders. So BODMAS is a rule that states that mathematical expressions with multiple operations need to be followed from left to right in the order of BODMAS. So all of you can see this expression on the board. Now, there are variety of brackets, or I can say various avatar of brackets. The first bracket is known as only the different types of brackets. In equation, the order is we go from inwards to outwards. Always from inwards to outwards. We solve the round bracket first. Then we come to the curve brackets and then the square brackets. It's like you are living in a very big hotel. So to get out of that hotel, you need to first get out of your room. Then you need to get out and reach the lobby, and then finally out of the hotel. Now we see what is also used in many manufacturing industries. Since they get a lot of orders, and if the correct, then they will. Another application of BODMAS, when shopping you see 15% discount, 20% discount. So the cost calculation while you are shopping, it helps in understanding the loan and mortgage. It has various applications in solving the puzzle games, and also helps in solving the chemical formulas and reactions. So now you know if a mathematical operation confuses you, so you know which extension to dial. It is BODMAS. Now my friend Sonia will demonstrate you how to solve mathematical operation using BODMAS. As it is. So just bracket. So what is inside the bracket? 5 plus 4. 9. 9. And divided by 3 minus 7. Then after bracket what comes? O. So O is missing. O is not there. Then we will go to D. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 multiplied by 9 is 54 divided by 3 minus 7. 3 plus 6 multiplied 18. 18 minus 7. Then what comes? Addition. 18 plus 3 25. Wow. Minus 7. 40. हमारा पॉइंट है
So math is about practical solving, right? You can't just knowing the theory doesn't help. It doesn't get you much far. So let's solve. Okay? You have your pen and paper ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please go on Kahoot and put this pen in? Yes. The science math club people are also joining in. You guys have to beat them. Okay? You have to come on. अरे ऐसा थोड़ी.
That's the spirit.
Let us solve another problem. Till the time.
Till the time, हाँ.
Okay. Now we will solve what the bracket. 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2 comes to 16. Plus 5. Bracket close. Plus 2 raised to 3 divided by 4. Plus 2 multiplied by 4. That is 8. Minus 3. 16 plus 5. Plus 2 raised to 3 divided by 4. Plus 8 minus 5. We will solve the bracket first. 21 plus now we will solve the power. 2 raised to 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 that will be 8. Divided by 4 plus 3. Now after division what comes? Multiplication. So it is not your problem. So as it is and is not there, so we directly go to addition. 2 plus 8 plus 2, 23. 23 and 26. So the answer is
Alright, so are we ready now? Are you ready?
yes.
We'll wait for 15 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's start. Okay, let's start it guys. अरे सॉल्व मत करो थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चन था ओके
One option you press. Please read the instruction.
not necessary all questions will be solving it. Look, read the questions, please pay attention,
Read the
alright?
question properly,
Yes.
understand the option and accordingly select.
Alright? Okay, ready? 8 people got it right. Very good. Come on, let's go. Alright, next question. Okay, solve this. Come on. Do use BODMAS as lot of divisions. Just 2, but yes. 13 answers in already. Alright, time's up. Okay, 11 more tracks. Okay. A better number than before. Alright. Let's see this first. Non-science math club person is in the lead. Come on, guys. Next question. Come on.
You can do it.
Another sum. Okay. Twelve answers same, 13 answers same. Come on, guys. Come on, students. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 13. Let's do all. Everyone correct. Come on. Let's use first. Again on Science Math Club. Come on, everyone. क्या question. Focus. Wait. Symbols, yes. Cylinder, fill in symbols. Wait. Alright. Okay, let's keep this question. The instructions a bit unclear. We apologize for that. We'll go on to the next question. Yes. Okay, next question. Board problems. The biggest nightmare in school. Come on. आ जाएगा. Just read the question.
माइनस को डिवाइड
You have time. This question, you have time. You still have 40 seconds left. You have more time for this question. आराम से. You have done all of this in CET exams. Come on. Oh, future preparation. Come on, everyone. 8, 9, 8. I want this one, yes.
लाइव है
Just 13 answers in 6. Correct. Okay, all right.
अरे यार
Question later, I suppose.
अभी दूसरे में
Let's use first. Still, Pratiksha in the lead. All right, going ahead. 6th question. All right. 7. Be 12. Oh yes, 7 answers right, majority. Oh yeah, again 7 answers correct in the 7 questions. Okay. Alright, let's see who's first. Alexa in the lead. BODMAS. Someone named BODMAS was on the scoreboard. They are not there. I believe that's ironic. And okay, moving on to the next question. 30 seconds. Take your time. ठीक है, you are not doing the question. हो गया?
Simple, simple.
Yes. 16 answers in. So far, very nice. This was a good demonstration of BODMAS rule, and you have done very well. So, one more round. Next, let's see the scoreboard. Alexa on fire. Okay, next. Easy. This is very easy. Come on, everybody. Answers in already, okay? The most so far. Very nice. Alright, next. Let's see. BODMAS is on the scoreboard again. Alright.
Last 2 questions.
Very easy. This is, and it's बहुत simple. Come on.
सात को डिवाइड बाय 2 है डिवाइड द डिवाइड बाय 2 7 7 24 2 ये 6 -1 आएगा
ये आंसर मत बताओ आंसर मत One last question. All right. if you get it wrong, that's fine.
नहीं right हुआ है.
Okay. Okay, last question. A tricky question. Still, there are people who are getting it wrong. If you have any doubt, and that's perfectly fine, it's okay to be wrong. If you have any doubts, you can come and ask us about what went wrong, okay? Alright, one round of clap for everyone.
दो एलेक्सा चिड़ी क्या ना
Thank you everyone. I request Manisha ma'am to please come on the dais and speak a few words.
Good morning, everyone. So, first of all, I just want to say that I'm very weak in maths, and I understood the full form of BODMAS, that is bracket of.
Great achievement.
And then after that, I was lost. I didn't know much. But the thing is that it was very well conducted. I really liked the integration of song.
Yes.
Right? That was through that was really nice. And I was thinking after we attended national conference, we must, integrate performing arts and drama in our teaching learning process. So that was wonderful, and she very beautifully she expressed through her face, BODMAS, BODMAS, BODMAS. So it was very nice, very interesting. And then the whole organization was very well organized, and the game, through Kahoot, you have presented different quiz questions, and everybody enjoyed, and they have given the right answers, some of them, and also we have winners with us, first, second, third, and then I congratulate Science Maths Club, I congratulate Professor Dr. Ansari for conducting this wonderful morning session, and we hope to have more and more sessions. Good luck and have a nice day. Thank you. Good morning. I loved the energy, and while I just came when the song was going on, that brought me to the class today, actually. So I thank the Science Math Club for taking the morning music to this level. And of course, that energy was more due to the game. So integrating technology definitely helps us. Math is a subject where you really need to practice a lot. And so I was doing all the calculations in my mind with Ansari sir, and I got, I think, one wrong out of all the 10. I didn't join on Kahoot, but then I was doing it mentally, and so I recalled all the days when I would do mathematics with my children, and probably I'll start doing it again. I lost touch of solving mathematics sums in the books, but then I think it's a nice thing to do mental math. For me, it was mental math. I really enjoyed the session. And I, like ma'am said, we really hope to see more such sessions, more energy in the class, and a lot more involvement with other clubs also. Thank you. Ma'am, I would like to take a
because it was her work. She searched for the song and I did this job.
I request Dr. Ansari sir, our guide and mentor, to please come and give a vote of thanks at such and conclude this event.
Good morning, students. So this is how when you are going to teach mathematics in the actual classroom, because everybody is running away from mathematics. In today's time, nobody loves this subject. So it's a duty of the teacher to make this subject interesting. And this is just the beginning. And what Arshi did in the morning about the song part, I'm sure she must have seen the movie Pathshala or Chopping Doctor. And she was trying to depict Shabana Azmi in that particular movie. So it reminded me if Dr. Manisha and Dr. Neeru will remember, we have gone to see this movie where Juhi Chawla also came at that point of time. So it is really very interesting. Such movies you need to see and get motivated. So this was the beginning. If you remember, in the beginning also I told you this is just the beginning of Science Math Club. If you are going to work on such activity, well planned, you should take proper time, we should not be in a hurry, but we should always plan at least 2 weeks in advance. So that everybody, and the most important part is that all math science students, those who are there in the committee, those who are there in this math science club, they are all present. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So that is the best part, and I will request other students also to remain equally present, so that they can get the benefit of it and they can also do such a club. It is not only science, the club is for everyone, anybody can become a part and parcel of it. So I will request even the other students, those who are not part of Science Math Club, they can also contribute, they can also come up with the ideas, but the only thing is that you need to take prior approval. So that when you will come here, everything should go all right. You have seen at one stage, our Sonia got stuck because of something or the other. So that is why in mathematics we need lots of practice. And as both madam had mentioned about the mental maths part, I like mental mathematics rather solving it on the book. Because in today's time people solve everything on book, it won't help. You need to have, because whatever sums were there, I can solve within 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Maybe that is my ability, that is why I can do it. But I don't know about other people, if they may take little time to understand. And all these questions, out of 10 questions, at least 2-3 questions were from CTET. We get such questions when you appear for your B.Ed CET exam also, at that time also such questions are there. When you appear, such questions are there. And even for the GK part in some of the paper like net set, such type of question, 1 or 2 are definitely there. So you need to prepare yourself. If you will prepare from today, I'm sure you will achieve the result. Thank you so much, and big round of applause for science. Now I will request all the team members and my dear colleagues to come on the stage. Vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So the energy is still there after solving that.
This is the main funda of mathematics.
Yes. When you get a correct answer, Joanna, you get it's on the right way, right? So yes. So I'm here to formal vote of thanks on behalf of Science Math Club. I would first like to thank our mentors, Professor Dr. Ansari sir and Professor Dr. Rajiv Aisha, for always guiding us and making sure that we get this. Because of their help, we were able to do this program. And of course, how can I ever forget our always supportive principal, Dr. Bhagwan Balani sir, and Vice Principal, Dr. Mandeep Kaur Kochal, for always giving us the opportunity and the space to do and explore our talents. And I'd like to thank I'd like to thank Dr. Manisha ma'am and Dr. Neetu ma'am for being here and gracing us, with their presence and being a part of this inauguration. And all my lovely audience. Also, special special thanks to the non-teaching staff for helping us arrange everything behind the scenes, and also the one last round for all the Science Man Club for. Thank you very much. Yes, please, Science Man Club, please come up for the photograph. Yes.
चलो आज का फोटो
Aryan, please give the
तो
phone.
लेक्चर स्टार्ट करना है